How to fix Facebook Marketplace search not filtering results correctly. Open your Facebook, then tap on the menu and you'll see the Marketplace right over here. Tap on it. And if the Marketplace is showing items hundreds of miles away despite your radius filter, your temporary location tracking data is likely stuck. Now to reset your location target, simply tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner and simply scroll down, and under account you'll find location and tap on it. Now you'll see the radius, and if you have any filter applied, simply clear everything and simply manually apply it again. After you enter, simply widen your radius a little bit more, and after that tap on apply. And if your filter still glitches, go to the search bar and then search for local pickup only and tap on hit search. This will forcefully strip out nationwide shipping lists. And also try to layer your filters sequentially. Tap on filter. Now tap on condition, such as what condition you like, new, used. Set your price, minimum and maximum amount that you can afford, and hit back. And control your filter from this and tap on see items and you'll see the items accordingly. And lastly, tap on the Facebook app for a long time and tap on the app info icon. Go to the storage section and tap on it. Now tap on clear cache to delete any corrupted files. Head back and tap on force stop and tap on OK, and now close the application and try opening again and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.